In simple yet clever way, you will learn to do this. Hi everyone, this is Dyson. Welcome back to my channel. Recently I did this, as you can see. You see, I guess everyone have a complex personality. That's the idea behind it, and I love it. So this one is different. I will tell you why. First, I try to simplify it more to achieve that fastest way possible with awesome keen tools, Nuke and Cinema 4D, and we are going to do that from scratch. So before that, did you know instead of modeling your face by hand or using motion capture device to capture this movement of your face, you can do that with keen tools with the few click? Or did you know instead of matching the color scheme with the actual actor, you can use Photoshop to clean the first plate and see the magic? Interesting, huh? Or did you know that in Cinema 4D we have something called mesh deformer to transfer the face movement or face deformation to different object? That's helped me a lot. And did you know that in this one we are not going to super crazy in compositing? To achieve this stunning one, we just use this couple node in compositing. Interesting, huh? All that on my Patreon. See ya.
Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.